Alright, check this out, the Cooler Master QUBE 500. This thing is seriously cool. It's a small form factor case, but don't let that fool you. It's packing some serious punch. First off, the flat pack design. How clever is that? It's eco-friendly, saves on shipping, and honestly, it's just fun to put together. It's like adult Legos for PC builders. The instructions are super clear, so even if you're new to building, you'll be fine. And the customization? Off the charts. You can basically build this thing however you want. Modular panels mean you can easily swap things around, making maintenance a breeze. Need to clean out the dust bunnies? No problem, just pop off a panel. Want to change the look? Easy peasy. This case is all about flexibility. Now, here's the mind-blowing part. It's only 33 liters, right? Tiny you'd think. But guess what? It can fit a full-sized EATX motherboard. Yep, you heard that right. And it can handle the latest GPUs, even those monster triple fan ones. And get this, you can even squeeze in dual 280mm radiators for some serious water cooling. It's like a TARDIS for PC components. The carrying handle is a nice touch too. Makes it super easy to transport if you're going to a LAN party or just moving your setup around. Plus, it's got a tempered glass side panel so you can show off all your hard work and shiny components. And let's not forget the USB-C port on the front panel. Super convenient for modern devices. So, who is this case for? Honestly, I think it's great for everyone. Beginners will love how easy it is to build in, and experienced builders will appreciate the flexibility and customization options. If you're looking for a small form factor case that doesn't compromise on features, the Cooler Master QUBE 500 is definitely worth checking out. It's a fantastic blend of form and function, and it's just plain fun to build with. Seriously, this thing is a game changer. It's like Cooler Master took everything we love about PC cases and crammed it into this compact, customizable, and surprisingly spacious little box. Highly recommend.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.